Looking for a truck? We have trucks.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel.
Get your Gilberts Advantage. Full tank of gas, every vehicle, every time. At Wheels and Deals, our vehicles are the best in class serviced, so you can have worry-free driving for a long, long time.
Lulu, did you know you get free job loss protection on all of our vehicles at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals?
Our free nitrogen program helps with longer lasting tires and gives you better gas mileage. That's part of your Jim Gilberts Advantage.
We'll give you a hug of friendship.
Check out all the options and savings on these slightly used vehicles.
'Cause that's our whole appeal. We are Canada's
All our vehicles come with a free Carfax report, the most trusted name in the automotive industry.
car dealer. Help you find your car for it.
Our motor vehicle inspection guarantee is 200% above industry standard. The safety of your family is important to you and us.
We're Canada's huggable.
Lulu, do you know that all our cars are professionally detailed? Yes, some people even say we have cleaner cars than new.
Car dealer. Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals.
Everybody loves the singing Hanwell Bears. Yes, you get them too.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you
Lulu, do you know what everybody likes about Wheels and Deals? Everybody loves their birthday gift every year. Yes, they do. In the mail, they get a birthday gift every year. Wow. And don't forget about our 2-key guarantee. All our certified vehicles, 2 keys guaranteed.
a hug